Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the anglerfish in Grow a Garden. So in this latest Harvest Moon Part 2 update, Grow a Garden has a new pet that called Anglerfish. And this anglerfish has legendary rarity. This one, you can see it. And this pet can get from the moon chest. You can get it randomly. And to get the moon chest, just simply head over to the Wise Owl NPC, this one, and then just submit the required fruits until you reach 500 points on here, like this. And then once you reach this point, you can get the moon chest, and you can open it. And from here, you can have a chance to get this anglerfish. And in here, before I already managed to get the anglerfish from my moon chest. It looks like this. This one, you can see it's so cool. And its ability, I think it's pretty interesting. Like this, in here you can see it. This pet can bite of fruits, and when it does, it has a chance to apply either the Eclipse or Aurora mutations to the fruits. And so I think this pet can be really useful if you are trying to get these special mutations for your valuable fruits. Then okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!